Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Terry Cool games. I've been posting in one whole week, and as you see, I got a new game. I just downloaded it. It's called Subway Surfers, and I used to play this game a couple of years back, but yeah. And we just moved, guys. We just moved. So I'll do a house tour, maybe 4 more days. But yeah, okay. So we're gonna go into the game right now, and then we're gonna just play it. And like, I'm gonna play one game. If you know, it depends on how long the video is. I want to try to get the longest time on here as I can. And guys, let's get up to at least 10 likes. 10. Hold up. 10. 10. Just 10, guys. Just 10. 10 for the Terry Cool games. Let's go. And guys, don't you know, like, when you playing the game, and like, don't you hate when the game be going so freaking slow? Like, you want to go fast. Oh yeah, guys, I got my high score right there. 37 and some thousand. I don't feel like reading it. But yeah, we gonna try to beat the high score. And they got some epic music. It's kind of like Rockstar mixed up with country. Yeah, Rockstar mixed up with country. That's what it sounds like to me. Once you get into that guitar mood. We got the O guys from movie. The word is moving, and we got the O. Be right back, guys. Sorry, guys. Technical difficulty. Have to go get something for my mother, but keep it going, guys. I love when the game go faster because, like, it gives my hand more of a decent movement. Because I don't like moving my hands really slow. But, oh, just thinking of that. Next video, it'll be on a game called, Don't Touch the White Tiles. Yeah, Don't Touch the White Tiles. And I'm not gonna post until like maybe about like a week or two because I want to get like my rep up so I can, you know, like get to faster songs. So, you know, like get to faster songs. So I won't have to worry about just starting off slow. I wanna, you know, move my hands fast, so I might have my cousin. Gotta use a diamond, y'all. Y'all might claim me as a cheater, but it's alright. I'm not going nowhere without beating my high score, man. Oh, guys, go follow my Instagram, though. Go follow my Instagram. T Street Bullock Jr. STREETBULLOCKJR. There are all these palm trees in the way. I don't like that. And ain't it funny how, like, when you're at a high level, when you're at a high, like when you're really high, and your character don't like get hurt or nothing. It's kind of ironic, but yes, guys, got it. Be right back, guys. Yeah, man, yeah. Alright, guys, I'm back. Let's continue. Woo! Damn! Here's another one, dude. I can build those right back up, because I can actually hack myself with something, but that's something I choose not to do, because first of all, it takes a lot of work. Second of all, it's cheating, not like, working up to that goal. Yeah, but, yeah, sort of like, I like working up to the goal, too. Get, to that level, or to that point where I can get 999 million, whatever. It's guys, you don't have enough keys. If you got a box, let's see. Tap to continue. Looking good. Oh, another box. Looking good. Okay, guys. Okay. So we got up to 34,767. And we were so close to beating the high score. Let's go to home. Let's see. Let's go to me. Let's see. Go to that. Collect. Good keys. Wow. Very interesting. Free. Get now. You guys said it was free. Special deal. 40 keys. Okay, so I'm gonna get off of that room right here. Hey guys, I had hum before. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, as always. See you guys later.